All right, check out this 17-inch ratchet wrench. Now, this also includes two adapters, which you can connect to an impact screwdriver. So there's two ways to use this. Essentially, you can use it by hand and then attach the socket, appropriate socket here, and then use it to ratchet. Of course, it has the typical socket wrench kind of tool here that you can switch it from left to right depending on how you are loosening or tightening. And then from the back here, this is where you would attach this to an impact screwdriver and this would spin it. Let me go ahead and demonstrate. All right, so I'm going to attach this to my impact screwdriver and then give it a go. Look at that. All right, so with this adapter, it'll make it easy to use this socket wrench so that you can get to hard to reach places without having the full motion. If you're restricted from that full motion, then this is a really good option. It also does come with this adapter as well, so that is pretty neat. So I hope you all found this helpful. Have a great day.
Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.